bricks. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. Or ram with me mother food. Spanish town.
Hey guys, so I'm in yard right now. I never vlog when I come in, but I'm here. Just yeah. I think so, yeah. That's for my Spotify. Kimar has me doing things. Say hi to Michaela. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, guys. So I was trying to vlog last night, but I didn't get the chance because I was busy with stuff. So this morning I am drinking some cornmeal porridge. Oh my god, the lighting is horrible. And I am in class as well. Some laptop right there, and I got Jaden. He's in class as well. Everybody's in class right now, so that's what we're dealing with right now. Kimar is not here, Shanake is not here, so I'm just waiting for Kimar to come home. He worked last night, so yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. Guys, here's Sabrina. Hi. Sabrina's doing class as well. She's on break, just like myself. So how's school so far?
I'm fine. Hi everybody. I finished my test and I have two. I done two and all the questions top of 40 and I finished all of it and submitted in the Google classroom.
Yeah. And do you like it? You like school?
Yes, I love school very much. And my teacher said after school we're gonna have fun and we got to have a pizza party.
Oh, that
after
sounds fun.
COVID-19.
Let's see when COVID-19 I got done. That sounds fun.
So I'm just waiting until the coronavirus is done. I'm ready to go back at school.
You want to go back into the classroom though?
I'm ready to go back at school.
Home too boring with school. When you're there home, you don't want to work. Not true.
I miss my class because every day when I go up to school, I miss my school when I go up there and see it. And all of the classroom closed.
Yeah, man.
I'm just wish the COVID-19 God.
I know, right? COVID-19 just come to just change everything. Not true.
Yes, in 2019 we used to have a good time.
Yeah.
We used to go to Carrot Cliff, hang out. We have used a good time, but now 2020, the devil that woke up on plan to kill we.
The devil. What you tell the devil for do? Go. Tell him for go. Him no welcome round here. You see me? Yes, that's why you have to pray, right? And give God thanks though.
All the people, you go post your status?
My YouTube.
Okay. All the people who is watching this now, remember, COVID-19 is going around. If you see COVID-19, pray to God. Tell him, say, God, cover me with a shield. So when you walk past him and God cover you, you not catch no go. Anything, if you want a car, if you want a baby, you go have to fast and pray for that. Fast and pray and look at me. Go to church daily and all Sundays. If your church Tuesday, you can go to church Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But my church, me go every day. Me go on a fasting and fellowship. And anybody who want to come to my church, remember, in St. James.
But yeah, guys, yeah, we're just there. I don't know, Kimar na come home yet. I don't know. Him finish work from must be 7.
Sometimes that's in my uncle. No, sometimes I not come home in the morning nor night because if you gone in the night and the morning, you know, come back sometimes because you go have lot of work. But in the night, you go come back. So thank you for watching us today, guys. We hope you miss us.
So I finally get to be beside. Boy, I play PUBG or watching PUBG. Jayla, you come join. You go do class too. Yeah. Oh. We finally come outside, guys. It's been officially 1 full day since I've been here, and I'm finally outside. Yeah. Hi, Astony.
All goods again now, watch him. Alright, Mr. Anna.
Oh, Lord.
Now come back to the door. Alright, my friend. Done me, I done you later, you know.
Oh, boy.
Yo, watch out now.
What happened to the vlog?
You know, say too early for this go.
Too early for what?
Matter of fact, it's too late.
I don't know what you mean too late. Say what happened to the vlog.
You learn easy if you dead when
We're here listening to music in my headphones, just holding on meds and things. You see? Right now, I use camera phone and vlog. Yeah, we're just here. Yeah, bored as ever. Well, Kemar don't look like he's bored. Come on, Kemar look like he might have fun. Oh. Alright, guys. I'm trying not to get Shanaki and her panty.
Sit down right here. Wait, you can't stop it.
I forgot to tell you guys that today was my niece's birthday. My little goddaughter, I should say. Her birthday. So those photos that you guys just saw was from her opening up gifts and stuff like that. So now we're here eating some KFC and Pizza Hut and them something there. Saturday, we're having just a little small get together because you don't know it's COVID time, so you can't have nothing big, but something small. So that we are gonna do. What you say? Me never say you. Okay. Kemar now forward, although it's gonna be keeping at his house. You know, enjoy the festivities. But guys, I haven't eaten pizza and like these stuff in a long time, so right now it feels weird to me. But yeah, man.